Amid the news of reopening the national highway for 7 days, furious mob destroyed the houses of President of COTU, one killed in the mob. The incident took place at Sabarmania yesterday. The two leaders of Sadar Hills district houses were attacked by furious people. The COTU's chairman's house located at Sabarmania was burned down, and the convener of COTU's house at Gamgifai village was also destroyed by the furious people. The news of reopening National Highway NH2 for 7 days was declared by the leaders. Thereafter, the angry people combined with suspected highway protection Kuki militants started burning and destroyed houses. The leader of Kuki National Front, P, husband of a minister, one tried to put an end to the chaos, continued. The leader of KNFP started firing. One person died during the gunfiring. After controlling the situation, the last rites of the person that died in the mob was performed, the sources added.